Welcome to another video where we try to do some troubleshooting. Now I've been trying to gain access into the target machine using brute force attack against my SQL. So I'm trying to perform a brute force attack against my SQL service that runs on port 3306. Now I seem to be encountering a problem that speaks about how my computer has been blocked from gaining access into the SQL service on the Metasploitable machine because of many connection errors. So I want to see if I can try and troubleshoot it and try to get a solution. Unsupported target version. SQL underscore So even when we try to search the version that runs on Metasploitable 2, it returns this, that it's running my SQL but responds with an error. So my IP address is blocked because of many connection errors. I'm blocked with my SQL flash admin. But if I try to run my SQL, if I try and open this, my SQL admin flash hosts, what does it say? Can't connect to local server through socket. You should check Maria DBD is running and that socket exists. So that's the issue that we have. We are going to try and come up with a solution to this. Let me quickly do some searching on Google and see if I can come up with anything. Because it also speaks about checking if MariaDB is running and the socket, this one, we should check if this socket exists. We can also check that. I mean, we can go, I think I've already opened this. Let's see. So gedit, we open my SQL and the configuration file and see if the socket exists. It does exist. So we have that, but if we do a Google search, I'm gonna get into this website. Here's what seems to look like a solution. Let's try this and see if it's gonna work for us. So this one here works, but you have to execute it from the target host. It's not gonna be executed on your local host. So this is something that you would have to do when you have access into the target host. So we can simply go into my SQL here. Okay, MSF admin is denied access. Let's log in as the root user. User root. Yeah, so we have gained access into my SQL and that's your server version and so on and so on. So now what we want to do is, for help, well, it's not gonna show anything of course, but our solution is saying that we should type in the following command. So flash hosts and query. Okay, now our host cache has been cleared and now we can gain access into this. So we can run this command. So essentially what we did here is try and see if we can find the version that is running on this target host, right? So we can run it again